Renovage aka Teprenone anti-aging peptide improves skin texture and Renovage for more youthful looking skin including less visible pores. 0.5 Fluid Oz. Blue glass dropper bottle. The Renovage, aka do-it-yourself, Teprenone for younger looking skin, will make a great addition to your existing serum, cream, or lotion. Just blend a small amount to your existing product for a boost. Teprenone is part of a Nobel Prize-winning discovery called telomeres. Teprenone keeps skin looking younger by improving the skin's moisture and hydration, which reduces redness and pore size. Teprenone helps to improve the skin's texture and fine lines and wrinkles appear less visible. Instructions and chart for DIY. Ingredients included with order. Recommended usage rate 1 to 3%. Dr. Denise Triple Strength Wrinkle Smoother Advanced Treatment with. I apply this after Dr. Denese Face Serum, which BTW is just crazy good stuff. The serum is amazing. Anyway, I use this product after the serum absorbs. I apply a pea-size amount to cover my entire face. It absorbs quickly and leaves my skin feeling soft and smooth. My pores were small to begin with, but now they are microscopic. I totally love this cream. I have sensitive combination skin. This cream is not oily or greasy. This cream has not promoted excess oil production in my T-zone. I have not experienced any adverse reactions. I do find my nasal labial folds are plumper, my marionette lines are shorter, overall texture is smoother and radiant. The texture of my skin has dramatically shown visible signs of improvement. Yes, I had good skin to begin with, but those imperfections are really diminished. I will continue to use this cream. I do, however, use the Hydro Shield Face Emulsion too, as I feel it does a better job at hydrating. I alternate products. I only have one concern, since I've read complaints that some feel the jar is missing the full amount of product. My jar wasn't perfectly filled on the sides, but I didn't really think that was a big deal. Suspected air pockets, or the jar is larger than the quantity of product that is spec. Okay, so after I read these reviews I wonder. Maybe I was slighted on product. Perhaps Dr. Denise should address this concern, since many purchasers are complaining about the jars not appearing to be full. Perhaps the jar is too big for the designated ounces. Maybe the ounces put into the larger jars are measured to spec and thus there is space left. If this is the case, Dr. Denise should read the reviews and address it ASAP. She is on TV frequently and also has a blog website. Both places are available for her to address these concerns of the buyers. Might be a good thing to do, because those that return the product for this reason are missing out on a great product, and Dr. Denise is supposed to throw returns away. They can't, by law, be resold. Project A Beauty Pro Mini Portable Microcurrent Photon. I bought this product as to try it out before I paid a lot of money for a more expensive one. But guess what, this little machine works great. The red light is perfect and microcurrent walks great. I know I am a beginner, but right now it's perfect. In fact, stronger it'd be a little uncomfortable. The microcurrent goes to level 10. You can really feel it. The red light is awesome. I have used this device for a month and friends tell me I'll look younger. My face more toner and the dark spots under my eyes are diminishing. Nice booklet has clear instructions. Remember to get sun tanning goggles when you use red light. And with microcurrent you will need aloe vera gel for face while using it. Check out YouTube videos to learn more. Great beginner's device. Blemish and Wrinkle Reducer 60 ml 2 ounces. Murad Blemish and Wrinkle Reducer 60 ml. People come to Murad when they're ready to transform the life of their skin. Murad combines advanced scientific research and practical clinical experience to create high-performance skincare products, diet supplements, and lifestyle programs that help people look and feel their absolute best. As America's first authentic doctor-developed brand, Murad remains true to the scientific principles of its founder, world-renowned dermatologist. Through more than 50 years of research, Dr. Murad has established that beauty and health are vitally linked and best achieved through an inclusive approach that improves every cell in the body. If you're in the awkward age where you're still getting post-teen spots but also hoping to prevent wrinkles, then this is the perfect winter pick-me-up. This miracle solution works to reduce blemishes while minimizing fine lines and wrinkles without causing irritation to skin. The first of its kind combines kelp and willow bark extracts with salicylic acid to penetrate the skin deep into pores to eliminate bacteria and prevent spots from cropping up. It also contains collagen-boosting ingredients to make the skin's fullness and firmness, ultimately reducing the signs of aging with every use. Use this once in the morning before moisturizer for radiant and tightened skin throughout the day. Apply again before your nighttime moisturizer to allow it to tackle oil and dirt from building up and causing blemishes the next day. After just a few days of using this, my skin felt less irritated and my skin was clearer and smoother. Benefits: dual function formula reduces blemishes while minimizing fine lines and wrinkles. Suggested use every day after cleansing and toning, massage and thin layer over face, neck, and chest. Slim Kim Ultimate Full Face V-Line Treatment Mask. Application 1. Moisturize face with a good quality face serum. Allow to dry. Point 2. Adjust the mask onto the face and leave on for at least 12 hours, preferably at night. Point 3. For best results, use every night for at least 2-3 months. And follow with the ultimate night serum care instructions. Wash with warm soapy water and rinse well, air dry. Do not use bleach, do not use fabric softener material, mesh lycra fabric size medium size, head circumference 49-54 cm, head to chin 58-63 cm, large size head circumference 55-59 cm, head to chin 64-67 cm, x large size head circumference 60-64 cm, head to chin 68-71 cm. Do you want smoother skin? Want to erase fine? I really love this product. It makes my skin feel silky smooth and hydrated without feeling oily. It arrived in good time too. I use it twice a day like they recommend. And I have noticed a tighter neck. I didn't think it would work, but I had hopes and they were rewarded. This is a really good product at a really good price that just about every woman or man can afford. You just use a little at a time so it appears to be lasting a while, and it's in a sealed pump container. Norlanya Handheld Anti-Aging Matrix RF Thermal Skin Lift. It is new model RF radio frequency thermal therapy device, a popular solution of aging, wrinkles, fine lines and sagging skin. Functions: for eyes fine lines, wrinkles removal and smooth the brow line, treat on the upper and lower eyelids and make eyes look youthful and charming. For face treatment for loose jowls, sagging skin. It can smooth fine lines, wrinkles, tighten skin, rejuvenate skin and remodel collagen for overall skin. It is also helpful for pigmentation reduction and scar improvement. For body treatment for sagging skin and unwanted bulges and dimples. Bullet points: 1. Non-invasive, no pain, no skin damage. 2. 18 big matrix dots to conduct RF energy comfortable treatment with effective results. 3. Inputs 45-60 C to dermal skin effectively boost collagen and stimulate dermis. 4. Red lights indicate when system is actually working. 5. 6. Invisible infrared light improves lifting results. 6. Never need to replace treatment head, no consumables. 7. Low, medium, and high energy level are optional for different skin types, suitable for both sensitive and non-sensitive users. 8. Works on both face and body with big treatment size, 5.5 square centimeters fast thermotreatment. 9. It can work 45-90 minutes after fully charged. 10. It takes 3-4 hours for a full charge. 11. Charged by USB cord or adapter, easy to carry around, able to get charged by computer. 12. Compact, lightweight and gentle. 13. Comfortable treatment, fast effectiveness, and low cost. Additional information: 1. Use with water-based gel or lotion. 2. It heats up gradually in 1 minute. 3. Must clean the matrix dots after each use. 4. When in use, move the device over skin all the time to prevent skin burn. Opperwell True Soul 100% Organic Argan Oil. Best Organic Argan Oil. Instant Facelift Rejuvenating Triple Stem Cell Treatment. I'm absolute love this instant facelift cream. It comes in a nice, elegant bottle that's easy to dispense. 1 or 2 pumps is enough to cover your entire face and neck. Right from the start, I felt it go to work. My skin felt tight and firm. At first I thought it was drying out my face, but my face felt silky after applying the cream. I did apply moisturizer afterwards, but it really wasn't necessary. I applied the cream every morning before makeup. After a full week, I notice a significant difference. My lines looked thinner and my skin was a little more plump. Great product, but it does go very quickly because of how much I loved using. Just wish more came in the bottle. I received this product in exchange for my unbiased and truthful review. My review is based solely on my opinion and experience with the product.